Pag lumingon ka. Akin ka. Akin ka.
Pag lumingin ka, may Mountain Dew ka.
Mountain Dew talaga. And may mga rules and regulations sila. Yan. No fishing. There's no lifeguard on duty here. No feeding the fish, no boating, no swimming or driving, bicycles, skateboards and hindi naman talaga manggaganda ng bahay dito, guys. Buti na nga nakatsinilas ako. Malayo pa yung lalakarin namin.